good people. Welcome back to my channel, Thrifty Fly DIY. I'm your girl, Denise Joy, the designer for the homeowner who wants to make their home custom on a budget. In today's episode, I'm sharing bedroom bedding design inspiration. How can you make your bed so welcoming you look forward to sliding into it any time of the day? I've prepared 6 different inspirational looks for you, but before we get to it, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video. Now let's jump into look number 1. For look number 1, I'm using the grass cloth wallpaper and the ochre mustard colored walls as the basis for bringing this design all together. I've chosen light colored linens. This is a Vera Wang textured comforter, and on top I have a quilted coverlet with the dark coloring of the grass cloth, and it even has some of those mustard colored lines in the coverlet. To bring the whole look together, I've chosen one gold pillow with a braided raffia edge, along with the black dark pillows and the dark on the back side of the white mud cloth pillow. It pulls everything together. For look number 2, it's a tad bit simpler. I used 2 different lumbar pillows picked up from Home Goods to create this soothing, serene look. I'm using that same Vera Wang textured comforter as the base. On top, I have this coverlet folded into thirds, centered in the middle in this gorgeous aqua turquoise color. Look number 3 is a simple but powerful pillow swap out. Now I'm using that white mud cloth pillow as the centerpiece with 2 cowhide pillows as the backdrop in soothing tones of gray and black and white. And notice how I've reused that lovely gold pillow with the raffia braided edge, put it in the seating on the side with the lumbar pillow on the front. A lovely room to get some shut-eye at any time. In my designs, I practice the Furaha Method. Furaha means joyful in Swahili. See how easy it is to change the joyful vibe and mood in a room by simply swapping out some pillows or layering some bed coverings. In look number 4, I have reused those beautiful gold pillows, combined them with those cowhide pillows, and honey, we got a whole new vibe going on. For look number 5, we have this vibrant quilt from Wayfair, playing off of the paisley curtains in the same color scheme and the floor covering from Crate & Barrel. It's a room full of fun patterns that work well together. The Furaha Method is all about creating joyful rooms with a fun element, and most of all, it reflects your personality with a curated look. For look number 6, again, we're using that white Vera Wang comforter as the base, but this time that white coverlet with the dark black and the ochre lines in it is pulled up 3/4 of the way on the bed. Our pillows this time, swapping out the gold pillows, pulling in these new textured, furry, lightish blue colored pillows, coupled with that lumbar mud cloth pillow. And hey, There's the tray. Who doesn't love some breakfast in bed or reading your favorite magazines? This one is definitely a destination you'd love. I hope that this video has given you some bomb inspirations for creating your own bedroom oasis. Remember, subscribe, hit the like button, hey, and let me know in the comments below what other kinds of videos you'd love to see. Thanks so much for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video.